Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to get how to download Black Ops 6 on the Xbox Game Pass, and let's get straight into it. So all you have to do is just open up the Xbox app on your PC. From here you can go over to either Game Pass or Library, or you can just search for the game itself add-ons. Anyways, once you are on the Black Ops 6 page, all you have to do is either click on Play with Game Pass, or you could just buy the game itself. And then also something to keep in mind is that you can get it for free. You can get Black Ops 6 for 1 entire month for free. So that is something you guys can do. But anyways, if you just want to buy it, you can simply click on Buy 6 for $70. But these are the only two options you want to be clicking. And then yeah, that is it. And then once you download it, if you want to download a certain, if you want to we just have to install the main game first, and then inside the game itself you can also choose what exactly you want to uninstall or download. So if you don't want to play zombies, you can specifically uninstall it inside the game itself. So yeah, that is it. And once you basically do all of that, you should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.